Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has reacted to the 50% retracement after the rally happened between the 5th of July and the 17th of July. From there, I added the yellow support zone to the chart and the price has reacted to the one here that is for the wave 2 correction. The other wave count was taken out. Yesterday I already mentioned that for one more upside extension in a still unfolding wave 1, the pullback was a little bit too deep, not invalid. It would still be valid, but for now I'm watching if this is a wave 2 pullback and we get a third wave rally to the upside, which should end somewhere around, well, the mid 60-cent region. Let me just do that here. Let's just add the third wave to here. Let's first see if we can actually break out to the upside, and that would be the next task for the bulls. Just having a roadmap on the chart doesn't mean this has to play out, but it gives us the key levels to watch now going forward. After the price rallied in a 5-wave move, it's a questionable 5-wave move only in this interpretation. So we have to be a bit flexible here. But for now, as long as we're holding 34.5 cents, we could give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. Risk management, of course, very important. We're dealing with an altcoin. And let's talk about the potential here. So if this really is a third wave which is unfolding next, then we should see the price get, to actually 64 cents or higher. It's the 1.38 FIB extension. For now, the focus needs to be on a few things. The 34.5 cent level is the lower boundary of the wave 2 support. So for this wave 2 pullback, this is the support level. So that means we can still drop a little bit lower. We're still forming lower lows and lower highs. There is no convincing signal that we've actually bottomed other than a green candle. And it's potentially impulsive, but I only see 3 waves up so far. So for me, it would need another high here to give us a wave 1. That would be possibly wave 1 of wave 3. But we know that such a wave 1 of this wave degree would usually reach either the 38.2 extension or the 61.8 extension. So there's more work to do. Okay, for this wave 1. Important is to know that this could easily, still get rejected and we test the support region again because we haven't broken out to the upside yet. We haven't broken above the high of wave 1 yet. So the support region remains relevant. Again, it's between 34.5 cents and 38.3 cents. That means at the moment so that's important. Watch for the 34.5 cent level. If that level breaks, it indicates that new lows are likely coming below the 5th of July low. But as long as we're holding that, there's even a nearer invalidation point, a very close invalidation point, which is the swing low that formed yesterday here at around 38.3 cents. This low obviously needs to hold to keep this immediate upside structure alive of a possible third wave. Very, very important. This does need to hold, this swing low in wave 2. And as long as it's holding, we could watch for this 5-wave pattern to the upside unfold. This would increase in probability. If we get a break above the wave 1 high, that is when we can assume we are actually in the third wave. So I need to see that bulls break above that 45.5 cent level. And then the third wave should gain in upside momentum. This is obviously the microstructure. It can change a bit going forward. More important than the microstructure are the levels. So the support levels are very, very clear. 34.5 cent is the key level, the 34.5 cent level, because below that level, a wave 2 would normally not be found. So anything below that, while it's not a formal invalidation point, for this 1-2 setup, it is normally where probabilities start to shift. The problem, I can say it only again once more, the problem is that the rally is only in 3 waves. I mean, you could still say in an alternative perspective, this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we go up once more. It would be a very deep, very wave 4. It would only be relevant and valid in a diagonal pattern. So again, can I rule that out? No. Can I rule it out? No. But if we really break out to the upside, my assumption would be we're in a third wave. Now, as I said, in an alternative perspective, it is possible that in a wave 2, This here was only the A wave. We are now rallying in a B wave, and we will test support again in a C wave. I mean, that is possible, you know. That is why I say more important than the micro count, which is only giving us a roadmap, are the levels, because they determine reward and risk, and they also determine when a pattern fails and when a pattern becomes invalidated, you know, and plays out and everything. So as long as we're holding 34.5 cents, we can focus on higher. Yeah, but just be aware, we could easily test the yellow box again. And at the same time, there is no confirmation as such that this wave 2 already bottomed. We're only forming lower lows and lower highs at the moment, but price action looks quite constructive. Because we reacted to a fib level, which is different to what happened up here. This is also a small rally, but we have reacted now to one of the key Fibonacci levels. So that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.